Nigel would have told us. He didn't say Hitchens. He was wrong. And then when I gave him the opportunity, he didn't say, you know what, Eric Weinstein brought these equations up and I told him no. And that thing is like something I've held open the door. He's now in his mid-60s. I was like, you really couldn't just say, maybe I screwed up?
You should go kick his ass.
No. Why?
I'm choking.
I know. Well, but wait a second, Joe. Such a dick. Such a dick.
I had to.
Oh,
Come on, bring
man,
some levity
I
into this. I
appreciate
thought you were going to cry 30 seconds ago.
Who is Joe? Joe Mama.
Why?
I'm choking.
I know.
Just a quick word from our sponsor.
Right. Do you guys have no friends? Is that the issue? God, you guys, what's your problem? I'm not gonna add you. I'm not gonna write you. Fuck off. We're not friends. Jesus Christ. Oh, I get so annoying.